and today I'm going to be showing you how to make lemonade. Here are to make it: a whisk, a cutting board, frying pan, lemon squeezer, measuring cups, one for liquid, and one for dry ingredients, a knife and a spoon. Make sure you have adult supervision while using a knife or any sharp objects. A small bowl and a medium bowl. Also, you will also need a stove. Okay. Now here are the ingredients we need. We will need water, sugar, and lemons. 7 to 14 are recommended, but you can also make do with 4 to 6. So we're back and we have our liquid measuring cup filled with water to the 1 cup mark. We also have our dry measuring cup filled to the 1 cup filled with sugar. We'll now turn on the stove. I'm setting mine at medium. I will first pour in the 1 cup of water. And then I will slowly add the sugar. Now I will take this thing right here. I think it's something that you use. Okay, you're gonna let it sit and stir like this for 1 to 2 minutes until it starts boiling. Then you take it off the pan. Hello, we're back, and we have our simple syrup. This is hot sugar and water together, so it's very dangerous. You might want adult supervision or to ask an adult for help. Very simple. You might want to do this over a sink. So you take the pan handle, you very, very carefully pour it into the bowl. Now I'm using a glass bowl because it's less likely to burn me. Very carefully using the top, we move it away. And now we dispose of the pan properly in the sink. Coming back over here. Okay, now that we're done, we need to juice up the lemon. If it's hard, you're probably not going to get a lot of juice out of it. So you put it on a cutting board or a flat surface or a hard surface and you roll it. Now if you want to, just to be safe, do this to every single one. We're back, and here's where the whisk and the spoon come into place. So we're gonna pour the juice from the small bowl into the